If you want to open an app in the floating window mode, we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so on the OnePlus 15R. So the first method is to open an app. Then we're going to go to the background apps or recent apps, and you should be able to tap on the app name above the app preview. And then in here you can find the floating window mode. And there we go. Of course, we can grab by the corner to resize the app. We can tap on these three dots in order to find some additional options, and so on and so forth. If you use gestures for navigation, you can swipe from the bottom of the screen towards the upper right corner, where you can find the floating window field. If you drop it over here, as you can see, you can open an app in the floating window mode as well. If you receive a notification of an app in the form of a banner, so sometimes you can see a banner over here at the top, then you can swipe down from that banner, and that allows you to open the app in the pop-up view as well. In the case of sidebar, if you have it activated, you can tap on any app that you have available in here to immediately open it in the floating window mode, just like that. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.